Evie, be careful!
Come here!
Evie! Thank you. Have some of these. Good thing I packed a spare dress for you. Let's go.
Mommy, can I go on the merry-go-round?
Just be careful.
May I have a ticket for that merry-go-round?
This one is for adults. Your ride is over there.
Aw, that's not fair!
Hello, may I have, this lollipop? Of course, $10.
Vroom, 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 vroom! Whee! Whee! Wow! Hey, don't touch that! These are my cars! Fine! Play by yourself!
Steven, don't be greedy. Share with the little girl.
Wanna play with me? Of course! Vroom, 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 vroom. Beep, beep!
Evie, I bought you a lollipop.
Thank you! Have some. Thanks!
I'm Ken. I'm Barbie. Nice to meet you. May I treat you to some ice cream? I'd love some. Woof, woof.
Oh no! Don't be scared. This is my dog, Taffy. You want to ride him? Oh, nice to meet you. Get on.